Artists make sculptures to express ideas and thoughts just like they do in paintings. This is a sculpture made using foil. It can also be made using paper. Working with foil and paper is similar to working with clay. We can use our hands to crumple it or press it and give different shapes as we please. Here are a few techniques you can use or even create your own. Take a piece of foil and place it in your palm. Press the foil between your palm until you get the desired shape or size. This technique can be used to make bigger or thicker parts of your sculpture. Take a strip of foil and press it with your fingers. Be gentle while pressing it so that the foil does not tear. Press it as per the desired size or shape. This technique can be used to make smaller or thinner parts of your sculpture. Apart from pinching or pressing, you can also twist the foil with your fingers. Be gentle while pressing the foil so that the paper does not tear. Press it as per the desired size or shape. This technique can also be used to make smoother edges or curved shapes or give a different style to your sculpture. This technique is used to make small tweaks to different parts of your sculpture. It is to take your idea further. For example, if you want to create feet for a leg, you can bend a small part of the crumpled foil at the bottom to create the shape of feet. You can also create more complex shapes such as zigzag, triangle, etc. Here is an example of a foil sculpture. To make this, divide your foil into different parts. Cut different sizes of paper based on what you are making. Use the techniques we learned in this video and put your sculpture together. There are two options you can use while joining different parts of your sculpture to complete it. Take the two parts of the sculpture that you want to join, place them together and wrap another piece of foil over it and press it together. If you're using paper, you may need to add some glue. Take two parts of the sculpture that you want to join and add tape around it. Use transparent tape and press it well so that it blends with the sculpture.